In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is integration in Base44 and how to use it 2025. If you're new to Base44, integrations are all about seamlessly connecting your Base44 application with external services like Stripe, Google Maps, or Slack, so your app can exchange data, automate workflows, and extend its functionality. The best part is that Base44 simplifies this using AI-powered backend functions and an integrations catalog, so you often don't need to write complex API code to get moving. We'll start by laying a solid foundation that makes integrations easy later. Begin in the Base44 builder and open the AI chat. Formulate a simple prompt that describes the core function of the app you need. Keep it short and focused. The simpler the prompt, the faster the AI can produce a workable prototype you can iterate on. For example, you might say, build a simple task management application. That's enough context for the system to understand your goal without overloading it with details. After you submit your prompt, give the AI a moment to generate the basics. Base44 will assemble the core building blocks for you. It creates a user interface with essential screens and navigation, so you can move through the app. It sets up a database schema, such as a tasks table for a task manager, so your data has a clear place to live. And it defines basic workflows, like the logic that adds a new task to the database. Think of this phase as scaffolding. The AI gets the fundamentals in place so you can refine with confidence. Once the initial version appears, use additional, simple prompts to enhance the experience. This is where you guide the AI like a collaborative teammate. You can ask for a user login screen to handle access, request design tweaks such as making the Add Task button red, or include functional details like a due date field for tasks. Short, specific prompts work best. You're not rewriting the app, you're steering it. If something isn't quite right, rephrase your instruction or break it into smaller requests. Finally, test what you've built using preview mode. Click through the screens, add a task, set a due date, and confirm that data is saved and displayed as expected. This quick check makes sure your structure, logic, and design are working before you dive into detailed visual edits or begin attaching more advanced integrations. By validating the core flow now, you'll avoid headaches later and ensure your app is ready to connect with the services that bring it to life.